Here are a few ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday. Have a movie marathon with their friends and favorite films. Have a DIY spa day at home with face masks, manicures, and spa snacks. Go on a scavenger hunt around the neighborhood or park. Set up a backyard camping trip with a tent, s'mores, and outdoor games. Have a karaoke party and let the birthday kid pick out their favorite songs to sing. Have a game night with board games, card games, and video games. Go on a day trip to a nearby attraction such as a museum, theme park, or beach. Have a sports day and play their favorite sports or try a new one. Have a baking or cooking party and make their favorite dishes or try out new recipes. Have a craft day and do a fun art project together. Have a pool party and invite friends for a day of swimming and pool games. Go to a trampoline park or indoor playground for a fun physical activity. Have a themed party and decorate the house or venue accordingly. Some theme ideas could be a superhero party, a Harry Potter party, or a disco party. Go on a mini golf or bowling outing with friends. Have a science or technology party and do fun experiments or projects together. Go on a nature hike or bike ride and have a picnic lunch. Have a dance party and play their favorite tunes or try out new dance styles. Set up a photo booth with fun props and take lots of silly pictures together. Go on a roller skating or ice skating outing. Have a sleepover party and do fun activities like telling ghost stories or having a pillow fight. Thanks for watching.